In the last video, I showed you how to play video inside a paint splash in PowerPoint. If you have not watched that video, I will leave a link to that in the description box below. In this video, I'll show you how to play video inside text like this. And the best part is you can play the video even if the text is in 3D form or in some other format like this. Let us jump right in and learn how to create this beautiful effect from scratch. I'm Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com, the creator of Ramgopal's PowerPoint Mastery Program, a comprehensive, creative and fun PowerPoint training program. The link is in the description box below. The first step is to write your text. In this case, I'm writing my name. I've really increased the font size. You can even increase it further. Then let us choose a thicker font. Maybe I can choose something thick like this one, which is Changa 1. Now we will play video inside this text. But before that, we need to convert this text into a shape. To do that, let me pick up this rectangle tool from AutoShapes Gallery and draw a rectangle much bigger than the font that we have selected. Then right click and send to back. Then select this rectangle first, hold the shift button down and select the text later. Then go to this option called Shape Format, Merge Shapes and use Shape Intersect option. Now what we have got here is a shape in PowerPoint. The next step is to insert a video that will play inside this text. So let us go to Insert, Video and choose a video from stock videos. Since I have Microsoft 365 subscription, I'm going to use the video option available right inside PowerPoint. As I go down, I see a number of beautiful video options. I'm going to select this one. As I place my cursor on the video, you can see the nice effect. So let us select that and insert that video onto the slide. Next, let us send this video back by using right click and send to back option. Select that video first, hold the shift button down and select the text and then use the option called Shape Intersect. If you have not placed this command on your quick access toolbar, you can always go to the search box here in PowerPoint and search for Merge Shapes. You will get this option. Click on it and go to Shape Intersect. Now we have got the video inside text. You go back to the playback option. Go to the option called Automatically and say Loop until stopped. Now when I go to slideshow, you can see that this video is playing inside my text. Now the best part about this is I can apply any type of preset to this text. Let me hit the escape button and select this text first. You go to Home tab, go to this option called Shape Effects and choose one of the presets. I'm going to choose this one called as Preset 9, which gives it a 3D look and feel. Now you can see that my text has this 3D look, and if I go to slideshow, you can see that the video still plays inside the text. Let us choose a different kind of a preset that is even more interesting. Let us select the same shape, go to Shape Effects again, go to Preset, and this time I'm going to choose this option here called Preset 10. You can see it is a very interesting look and feel here. Let us change the background of this slide by going to right click Format Background and choose a solid black color so you can clearly see this beautiful impact. And here when I go to slideshow, you can see that this format still plays the video inside. Let's take this one step further. Instead of the text this time, let's create a custom shape and play our video from inside that shape. I can create the shape by using any of the basic shapes. For example, I can pick up this arrow chevron and then draw 3 chevrons like this while holding the control button. Let me click and drag. Now we have these 3 chevron shapes. Let me select all of them and use the Shape Union option. You can of course find that in Shape Format, Merge Shapes and Shape Union. Now this is one shape. I can always insert a video on the slide now, like say this one and say Insert. Like we did earlier, let us send this back. Select this video first, hold the shift button down and select the shape after that and go to the Shape Intersect option. Then go to Playback, go to Play Automatically and say Loop until stopped. When I go to slideshow, you can see that I have created this custom shape and it plays video inside. As I mentioned earlier, you can apply any type of 3D effect, rotate it using 3D rotation option. You can play with it the way you want. The same way, you can play a video inside an icon as well. Let me choose a random icon like say this map and say insert. I can expand this while holding the shift button down and then right click and convert it to shape and then select all these individual pieces and then use shape union option. Now this is one single shape. Then I insert a video. Let us say this design and insert. Right click, send this to back. Hold the shift button and select this shape that we just created, then go to shape intersect and then go to playback, play automatically, loop until stopped, go to slideshow. You can see that we have a nice looking map with an interesting effect inside. We have tons of such useful PowerPoint tips and tricks in our Ramgopals PowerPoint Mastery program. Please click on the link in the description box below the video and find more details. In the meantime, do you want to learn some interesting PowerPoint tips and tricks that you can use in your next presentation? Then we have just the right video for you right here. All you need to do is to click on the link, start watching the video and learn those useful and implementable PowerPoint tips.